guys. So good afternoon, everyone. So this afternoon, I will be discuss the lesson 4 of experimental and the theoretical probability. So next, Lord J. Toros affair today. How likely is your chance of getting a prime number? So let's focus. Have you already visited a fun fair or Priya? So every one of us is already we know the what is the Priya because it's very known to us. Have you experienced playing a roulette, balloon, chart, ring toss, or battle toss? These are only few of the games that deal with the chances. Players calculate how likely or unlikely we will win this game. So before we before we proceed, so take note everyone. So the probability of an event is to happen can be any value between 0 and 1 unless the event is possible of certain to happen. The next is this is the indicator of having a basic knowledge of how probability works in the real world. So probability is the measure of how likely the event will occur. The likelihood of an event to occur can be presented using the probability line. So probability is always between 0 and 1. So 0 probability indicates that the event is possible to occur while the perfect probability implies that the event is certain to happen. So like what I said, the probability of an event to happen can be any value between 0 and 1 unless the event is possible of the certain to happen. The next is event with least than 1 over 2 or 1 over 2 probability or 50% chance are said to be unlikely to happen. So on the other hand, events with greater than 1 over 2 probability or 50% chance are likely to happen. The probability of an event to happen can be expressed in a form of fractions, decimal ratio, or percent. So next, as we go along the exploration of some concepts or probability, we could expect to encounter such terms like experiment, event, outcomes, sample space, and a sample point. For the better understood of these terms, let's define them. So we have first is experiment. So our trial is any procedure that can be repeatedly done and has a well-defined set of possible. So we already know what is the experiment. So ito po yung gumagawa tayo ng um, problem that we need to repeatedly see what is the result. So that is the experiment. So the next is the event refers to one or the more result or outcomes